problem number 7. I want you to look at problem number 7 in your math review. It says the Nature Club made a 4-page flyer of nature photos. They want to print 100 copies of the flyer. They have 258 sheets of paper. Now there's a lot of information in here, so stop and think about each sentence before you move on. So I'm going to go back and reread the first sentence. The Nature Club made a 4-page flyer of nature photos. Okay, so first I'm going to take a little note just so I can visualize it. If you're more of a visual learner, I'm going to draw my 4-page flyer. Flyer has information on it. 4-page flyer of nature photos. They want to print 100 copies of the flyer. Okay, so they want 100 copies of one of these flyers. So if I know, I just drew my quick hundreds. So they want to print 100 copies of the flyer. So the club needs 4 groups of 100. So they have 200. Okay, so before I move on to the next sentence, the club needs 4 groups of 100. Well, what is 4 groups of 100? If I added these 4 groups of 100 together, what would I get? Well, if I add 100 plus 100, that equals 0 ones plus 0 ones is 0 ones. 0 tens plus 0 tens is 0 tens. 100 plus 100 equals 200. Okay? So if I know these two put together are 200, what will these two be put together? 200. So if I do 200 plus 200 equals 0 ones plus 0 ones is 0 ones. 0 tens plus 0 tens is 0 tens. And 200s plus 200s equals 400s. Okay, so the club needs 4 groups of 100. I'm going to cross off my period. Or 400 sheets of paper. Okay, now let's go to the next sentence. They have 258 sheets of paper. And they buy a pack of 200 sheets. Okay, so the next question, the question of the problem says, do they have enough paper to print the flyers? Well, first I need to see how much paper they have all together now. Okay, there's 2 different steps here. They have 258 sheets of paper already. Okay, so I'm going to write down 258. And they buy, when you buy something, do you get less of it or more of it? More. Okay, so they buy 200 sheets of paper. So if I add those together, if it helps to make it vertical, I'm going to do it down here. 8 ones plus 0 ones equals 8 ones. 5 tens plus 0 tens equals 5 tens. 200s plus 200s equals 400s. Okay, so they have 458 sheets of paper. Okay, so now I'm going to, now that I've solved both parts of my problem, I'm going to go back and read the last two sentences. So they have 258 sheets of paper. They buy a pack of 200 sheets. So now they have, it doesn't ask me this, but I had to think about it. Now they have 458 sheets of paper. Do they have enough paper to print the flyers? So now, when we think about greater than, less than, or equal to, well, 458 sheets of paper is greater than, how many sheets of paper did I need? 400 sheets of paper. So do I have enough? Do they have enough paper to print the flyers? Yes. They have enough. And then the question says to explain. So I might put this first, but I just explained why they have enough paper to print the flyers. Now, the second part of that question, okay, the club, now there's a whole nother question. The club adds one more page of photos to each flyer. Do they have enough paper to print them now? So if they originally had 4 groups of 100 or a 4-page flyer, now they need a 5-page flyer. That means they need 100 copies each page. So we know, we already solved this. This was 400 sheets of paper. But if we do 400 sheets of paper plus 100, what does that equal? 0 ones, 0 tens, and 500s. So we need 500 sheets of paper, or 5 groups of 100. Do they have enough paper to print them now? So if I looked, I already solved this. 258 plus 200 equals 458. Okay, remember I solved it down here? That's how many sheets of paper I have. But now they want to print another page in the flyer. Can they do that? They can't. They need 500 sheets of paper, and they only have 458. So 458 is less than 500, so no. They cannot print the 5 groups of 100. It is not possible.